Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can design your Weebly website. So let's get right into it. Now, once you create your account, it'll directly be placed within the website editor. However, if you exit out of it, you'll arrive at your dashboard where you see myself currently, and then you can do a couple of different things. You can click on edit site directly from the overview, or you can go to website, click on edit site. It'll show you the website editor just like so, and then you can click edit in the top right. It'll show you some sort of layout of what your site looks like. But yeah, just click on edit in the top right, and here you'll see your site in the editor. I'll just skip over setting up a domain, and now this site specifically is a blog. However, you can make one that's not a blog, so let me just show you how you can make other pages. This is a blog page, which is set up by default if you select a blog template. However, I'll go to pages, I'll go ahead and add a standard page, and let's just call it the home page. And that's pretty much it. Click done, and I'm going to drag it all the way to the top to make it the home page. And now this is the home page of my site. Here you can add a title, text, add whatever you want. You can format it however you want as well, align it to wherever you want it to be. You can access all of the other elements that you have at your disposal, such as this. Now, for some reason, this looks a bit different than my other website did. For some reason, my other website had these elements sorted in different categories. This just has individual elements. However, you can add completely new sections as well. And I'm not really sure why this differs between blogs and standard websites. Let me just go ahead and go into the settings to try and change the layout. Maybe it'll change my build as well. And it didn't for some reason, but it is what it is. But yeah, pretty much you just need to drag the elements from the build section right over here. You can also change themes, change fonts, and change theme options from here. You can access different apps which might help you boost traffic, spike sales, etc., etc. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.